Hey everyone, Roseanne McEwen here, your CSR rep here at Southwest Toyota Lift, your local equipment dealer. Today we're here to talk to you about the safety tip of the month, and that is going to be on your masts and chains. We are going to be able to talk to you about the safety of that and making sure you are OSHA compliant. So your hydraulic pressure is what's going to raise your mast, but your mast chains are what is going to raise your carriage, your forks, and your load. So it is an OSHA requirement that prior to each shift you do inspect your forklift. With that, you do want to make sure that you are checking for rust, tension, and elongation within the forklift itself. So some of these issues can be caused by abnormal force on the chains, lack of lubrication, and normal wear and tear. So the average single shift operation chain should last you 3 to 5 years. But dust, environmental chemicals, and other factors can change the lifespan of your chains. So ignoring these issues can cause damaged product, injuries, or worse. So please make sure you are doing your daily inspections prior to each shift. Thanks again for watching. Make sure you guys do like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on our next tip of the month.